morning everyone, respected judges, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. I want to talk about my role model. Yes, my role model, my father. Someone who has profoundly shaped my life. Someone who has profoundly shaped my life and someone I look up to more than anyone else, my father. My father from a young age. I have watched him with their immense admiration. He isn't just a parent. Yes, he isn't just a parent. He has been my first teacher and my first biggest cheerleader. And a constant source of inspiration. One of the most striking qualities about my father, his unwavering dedication and hardworking. I have seen him many face challenges and head on, always putting in his best effort. No matter, yes, no matter how only difficult task, he taught me. He taught me the valuable lessons that isn't success just about talent, just about perseverance and a consistent effort. He never shies away from responsibility and always strives for excellence in everything he does. Beyond his professional life, my father is a man of great integrity and kindness. He always emphasized the importance of honesty and treating others with their respect. He has remarkable ability to with help to offers and people those is need without hesitation. He taught me. He taught me the true strength and lies not in power, but the compassion. But the compassion and understanding he also instilled in me the importance of learning and my growth. My father is my life. Yes, my father is my life and long learner himself. He taught me, long learner himself. He always curious and open to new ideas. He enjoyed to me for explore my interests, to be asked questions and to be never stop seeking knowledge. On to me. What it means to be responsible, to be a kind, to be a strong and to be a good human being. He isn't just a parent. He isn't just a father. He is my first teacher. He is my first teacher, my first best friend and truly my hero and my role model is my father. Thank you for Yash Kalani Seva Bhavishya Anushtan district and level elocution competition. At last, डोळे मिटून जो प्रेम करतो त्याला प्रियकर म्हणतात. डोळे मिटून जो प्रेम करतो त्याला प्रियकर म्हणतात. उघड्या डोळ्याने जो प्रेम करतो त्याला मैत्री म्हणतात. उघड्या डोळ्याने जो प्रेम करतो त्याला मैत्री म्हणतात आणि डोळे वटारून जो प्रेम करतो त्याला पती म्हणतात. डोळे वटारून जो प्रेम करतो त्याला पती म्हणतात आणि स्वतःचे डोळे मिटेपर्यंत जी प्रेम करते तिला आई म्हणतात. स्वतःचे डोळे मिटेपर्यंत जी प्रेम करते तिला आई म्हणतात. पण मित्रांनो, डोळे प्रेम न दाखवता जो प्रेम करतो त्याला फक्त आणि फक्त बाप म्हणतात. Thank you for listening carefully, all of you. Thank you so much.
Fundamental skill is profound. It expands knowledge, sharpness, and cognitive abilities. Good morning, everyone. My token number is 333. Today, I want to talk something about that has the power to transfer news. Do you know what is it? Yes, you are right. Reading. In a world scattered with information, reading stands as a beacon, guiding us towards knowledge and personal increment. Firstly, reading is a powerful tool. Reading is a gateway to knowledge. Books, magazines, articles, they are reservoirs of information, offering insights into diverse subjects from history and science to literature and philosophy. By engaging with these texts, secondly, reading is a powerful tool for cognitive development. It enhances our vocabulary, strengthens analytical skills and personal increment. Furthermore, reading is therefore, for this I want to sing a poem on reading. Read a book to know. Read a book today. Learn about places far away. Read a book to know about peoples long ago. Read a book with face, page by until fantasy, mystery, comedy, and history. You read fantasy, mystery, comedy, and history. Read a book tonight. Pick a book, pick a book, pick a book. Read it's such delight. Therefore, let us cultivate a love for reading, not just for our own benefit, but also for the betterment of our communities and the world at large. Encourage yourself, your children, and those around and those around you.
Its principal, honorable guests, and my all dear friends. My token number is B34. I am studying. Reading is very good habit that one needs to provide in our life. One's book can inform you, enlighten, and lead you in right direction. There is no better companion than a good book. Once you start reading the book, you experience a whole new world. When you start the loving of the habit of reading, you eventually get addicted to it. Loving reading develops languages, skills, vocabulary. Reading book is also relax and reduce stress. Reading is most powerful weapon. Reading improve knowledge, focus, concentration. Reading make our mind sharp. Reading is the best. Reading is the best.
Good morning, everyone. Respected parents, teachers, and all my friends. My token number is B35. My speech is my role model, Dr. Professor Ambedkar. Such an honor to stand before you today and talk about Dr. Professor Ambedkar, a great personality who changed the course of history in India. Is born on 4th April 1891. Dr. Professor Ambedkar was not just a visionary leader but the architect of the conviction during his lifetime. Bimrao Ramji Ambedkar, the Constitution separate India's democracy and legal frameworks, giving rights to separate houses. But tirelessly against discrimination in India, dedicated his entire life to ensuring equality forward despite the social disparities. He was also an advocate as in education to vary the A2 D.R. Ambedkar was conviction during his lifetime. Bimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Thank you.
I stand here today with heavy heart and proud smile to talk about the person who has been a constant source of inspiration in my life. My father, he is just not my father but also my role model. From a younger age, I have always looked up to my father for guidance and support. He has been a constant source of strength for me, and his unwavering support, he has helped me to overcome many obstacles in my life. My father, he has taught me the importance of hard work, determination, and perseverance. He has shown me that with determination and positive attitude, one can achieve anything they set their mind to. His unwavering determination and hard work to an inspiration on me, and strive to follow his example. My father is the most beloved person in my life. He has taught me the. My father is self-made man who started from scratch, from hard work tirelessly to provide for his family. And he instilled in me the importance of education, and he always encouraged to pursue my dreams. He is an biggest supporter in everything I do, and he has given me confidence to chase my aspiration. He is the one who person kind heart and stronger on the scene of morality. He has taught me the
Good morning, everyone.